Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a partnership agreement with Rocket Lawyer, full guide step by step clearly. To create a partnership agreement with Rocket Lawyer, begin by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in partnership agreement and hit enter to search. Look for the option titled Partnership Agreement in the search results. Click on this option to explore the details of the template. Next, you will see an overview of what a partnership agreement entails. Scroll down to find the Start Your Document button and click it. You may need to sign in or create an account with Rocket Lawyer at this stage. After logging in, the website will guide you through a series of questions. Answer each question honestly and accurately to customize your agreement. Questions will typically include information about the partners, business purpose, and profit sharing. As you input information, take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once you've filled out all the required fields, review your information carefully. Look for any areas where you might need to add additional details or make corrections. After confirming the information is accurate, proceed to generate the document. Rocket Lawyer will create a draft of your partnership agreement for you. Feel free to review the draft and make additional edits if necessary. Once satisfied, download the partnership agreement in your preferred format. You may also choose to print it directly from the website. Finally, ensure that all partners sign the agreement to make it legally binding. Store the signed document in a safe place for future reference. With these steps, your partnership agreement will be ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.